Hello everyone, my name is Cesar from Wirestream. Today it's Saturday. I am here in the Santa Monica area and I am troubleshooting an issue here with an Amazon device. So let me show you really quick what Amazon's trying to do. So basically Amazon is trying to add their device here so when the drivers come into the building, they're able to access the doors. In this case, what's going on is that when they trigger their phone or whatever they're using to open up the door doesn't open and it triggers the access, but the door doesn't open. The reason why that is happening is because the strike right now does not have voltage going through it. Let me show you that. All right, so here's my panel right now. And this is what I'm going to be troubleshooting right here. So what Amazon has done, they have connected their device right here to the data one and data 0, and it looks like they might have tried to connect to the power, but this would not work because their devices are not authorized on the system. So even though they try to get it done, it won't release the strike. Now, what I am going to do, I am going to remove their device right here, and then right now, when somebody uses the fob or their phone to open the door, what it does is it adds voltage to one of the normally opens here for the doors, and then it releases it. When Amazon's doing it, this thing is not authorized, so it's not allowing voltage over here. So I'm gonna remove this from here and push it out onto a separate power supply. So when they add their when they authorize the door to release, it's gonna have its own power source. All right, let's get to it. Well, here's my wiring that I just completed. So originally everything was connected here. So this provides 12 volts for the unit and or actually for the strike. So this right here provides 12 volts. In this case, what I have done, I moved it to this location right here, which this location does not provide power or 12 volts to the strike. And I have an external power supply on this side. Now, because of Amazon also needs to have their system connected, I have created two leads here. So you might be able to hear that when I connect these two leads right here. We can hear the strike. So that's what they're going to connect to their system. I just got to fix all this up right now, just as I'm testing. But again, we're gonna have this is our cable for the strike. This is our cable coming from the power. And what I do, again, our positive power goes to my normally closed. My negative, they get tied together, and then I have my common right here, which is going back to the strike. This provides the loop for the system. All right, let me just test it right now with my phone. You will hear also that it will also go off. So let's go ahead and test it. We can hear it that it's open. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and tape all this up. I'm gonna put them, I'm gonna cover all the wires and do another take on the video. Covers are on, and the next step is to label this cable for the Amazon guy, so that way he knows which ones to connect. I have now tagged my cables here, so he will know that this is my normally open cable, normally or my common. This is all being powered directly. So again, if I short this cables out, we can hear the strike on the other side opening. You can hear it a little bit. It's kind of hard to touch it, but you can hear it. Essentially, this is the module that they're more than likely going to use as to connect these wires. But this is ready to go. Let me push these cables in. We did not do all this wiring, so it's gonna be hard to put everything back in place like it was, but I'll do my best. One thing that I did forget to mention is that I connected my own reader here because when testing, it's kind of hard going back and forth. So I would have to go to that door all the way over there and then come back, and I was not able to see my light pattern right here. If there was two guys, then that's not a big deal. But in my case, I just carried another reader here so I can test directly from here. I'm about to close I'm about to put the cover on here, but before doing that, just wanted to show you one last time what I did here. It's for future sake, so I don't have to tone all these wires. So I label which output I'm using and which controller is being utilized over here. I also label the cables that the other person is going to come and connect for the Amazon devices right here. I'm going to go ahead and put the cover, and I'm going to call it a day for today. All right, thank you. I'll see you on the next one. Okay, now that I'm complete over there, this all took about two hours to get complete. I will show you that the door now opens via my phone, and Amazon will be able to do the same thing. Let's give it a try. Well, first, let's try it like that. It does not open. Next, we're gonna try it with the phone. We'll hear some clicks, and there it is. Okay, that's project completed, and we'll see you on the next one. If you have any access control questions, please post them on the channel, and thank you very much.